I'm Johnny and this is Deandra.
And we're Scentsy directors.
When we met, she had just her one kid. I had my 3 kids. We decided together that we wanted to just go full force and get custody of the kids because that was just gonna be best for the kids and for us. Financially, we struggled. And then by the time Scentsy came around, we were trying to play catch up. And so we didn't join right away.
So it was something that it was scary starting a business, not wanting to fail, but also knowing that we have no other option. If this is gonna work, with everything that we're going through, it's gonna be the one thing that, you know, will be a vehicle for a future. I think the biggest change that I've seen as Johnny is his confidence. He went from being someone, we would go to church late so that there was no one to speak to, and we'd leave before it got over so there was no one to speak to. And now he is the first to offer to train a reunion, and never would he have done that before. People think that now if he says that, oh, I didn't like people, they're like, yeah, right. You don't seem like that type at all. But he was totally closed off and didn't really have relationships and kind of just kept to himself.
Scentsy kind of broke that. And now I present everywhere now, world tour. I presented the last 2 reunions I've presented.
What I see in our future with Scentsy is, and Superstar Director, of course, we want to be debt free. We want our kids to be able to go to college. Neither of us really had future options like that. So we want to make sure that we're setting our kids up for success. So I think for me personally, it's with 6 kids, being able to set them up for success.
Results may not be typical. For average consultant earnings, review Scentsy's income disclosure statement here or visit Scentsy.com/join.